16. Dr. Miller, dial 216. Dr. Miller, dial 216. Dr. Miller, dial 216.
Again, where's the breathing?
Another breath. That's it?
Yeah.
I can go home?
Let me just make sure it's okay with her.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Ready to go? Oh, yeah, yeah.
Have a good day.
You warm enough, son? You warm enough? You want a blanket?
Orthopedics doctor to 7. Orthopedics doctor to 7.
He's not that good. He's in recovery. It was a long time for the procedure, so yes. I'll call you when he's still recovering. No, you just couldn't get through. You finally got through, but it took a long time getting there.
The balloon?
Yes.
Now, where am I going?
Yeah, yeah.
Gastroenterology, please call Dr. Carl. Gastroenterology, please call Dr. Carl.
What?
Gastroenterology, please call Dr. Carl. Gastroenterology, please call Dr. Carl.
Tell him he can't do that.
Pediatrics, dial 116. Pediatrics, dial 116.
No. Oh, yeah. Huh?
Pediatric stop 116. Pediatric stop 116. Dr. Johnson, please stop 316. Dr. Johnson, please stop 316.
Are you gonna be in your office? Okay. What, yes? Yes, you know, or yes, you want a copy?
Dr. Sutton.
Okay.
Orthopedic stop Dr. Sutton.
That's your problem over there. That's your problem over there. Bye-bye, thank you. Okay. I'll be right with you.
Yeah. No.
Karen, there was a thing with them over here. Is that still over here? Or is it in the living room? Yeah. Right here. Oh. All right, if they fit, stick them in there. Thank you.
Stay locked. You don't need red?
Oh, huh?
Just need yellow?
Yes, give me some red too.
Roll it.
Everybody has to wear the yellow. Did I explain that?
I don't know.